Stop right there before you trust that used iPhone you just bought, because there is a hidden test inside your iPhone that can reveal almost every problem in minutes. And most people have no idea it even exists. Right now, I'm holding the iPhone and I'm going to show you exactly how to check if it has any hardware or software issues step by step. Before we start, make sure you're using an original charger and cable when plugging in the iPhone, because this helps avoid any false results during the test. Now plug your iPhone into the charger and make sure it is charging. Then turn the iPhone off completely and wait a few seconds until we are 100% sure it is fully powered off. Now here is the important part. Press and hold the volume up button and the volume down button together. And at the same time press and hold the power button, all three buttons together, and keep holding them. As soon as you see the Apple logo appear, release your finger from the power button, but keep holding the volume up and volume down buttons for a few more seconds, then release them as well. Now the iPhone will enter a hidden mode and you will see something called Diagnostics and Repair. On this first screen, you'll notice a few important things. At the top, you have an icon that shows you device information like the serial number and other details. And you also have a globe icon to change the language. And just above the Continue button, you can also see the current iOS version installed on the device. At the bottom, you'll see two options, Continue or Exit. If you want to run the full test, tap on Continue. Now, you need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So choose your network, enter the password, and wait for it to connect. After that, you'll see a message about Diagnostics and Repair Privacy. Just tap Agree to move forward. Now, this is where the real testing starts. You'll see options like Run Diagnostics, tap on Run Diagnostics. At this point, you can unplug the iPhone if you want, or just keep it connected. Both will work fine. The iPhone will now prepare everything, and once it's ready, you'll see a list of different tests. For example, you can start with something called Mobile Resource Inspector. Tap on it and it will tell you how long the test will take, usually around 1 to 2 minutes. Let it run, and once it finishes, you will start seeing results. One of the most important things you will see is the battery condition. It will show you the cycle count, the maximum capacity, and whether the battery needs service. For example, if the maximum capacity is low and it says needs service, that means the battery is worn out and may need replacement. Below that, you will also see results for things like Bluetooth, camera, display, Face ID, sensors, Wi-Fi, and more. And it will clearly tell you if everything is working properly or if there is a problem. You can also run other tests like audio output. And this one is very important because the iPhone will play sounds through the speakers, so you can clearly hear if both speakers are working properly or if there is any distortion. There are also tests for display pixels, touch responsiveness, Face ID, and camera quality. Just tap on each one and run the test. After you finish all the tests, you can tap on the menu at the top and exit the diagnostics, and iPhone will restart back to normal. And that's it. This is one of the best ways to make sure your used iPhone is actually in good condition before you trust it completely. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who is thinking about buying a used iPhone, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and hidden features that you probably didn't know existed.